Welcome to Let's Learn. Today we are going to be discussing about Google Sheets. So what is Google Sheets? Uses, how to access Google Sheets, layout, and common terms. So what is Google Sheets? Google Sheets is a web-based application that enables users to create, update, and modify spreadsheets and share the data online in real time. So how do we access Google Sheets? So make sure you have logged in your account. And then the next thing you're going to make sure is that you can see this Google Apps icon here. So click on it once, go down, and click on Sheets. So that's how we access Google Sheets. And primarily this is the layout we see. So if you want to open from a template, you can see the templates that we have here. But since this is for tutorial for beginners, we're going to start with a blank sheet. So next, we're going to look at the layout and the common terms. So what is layout? So the layout is the overall page view of the window. So basically, this is what you're seeing here. We start with the spreadsheet file name. So this is what you see up here. And right now it's written and titled sheet, but you can give it a name. So we are going to give it Google Sheets 101. Sorry. So that's the spreadsheet name. The second thing, we're going to look at the home option. It's normally on the left side. So here, when you click on it, it takes you home just from the name. And then we have the menu bar. So the menu bar is the horizontal line that you're seeing. It acts as the common housing supply for the window. It is located here. So this is the menu bar. It basically gives you options. Then we have the toolbar. So what is the toolbar? It includes the set of options to modify the file in the user-defined format. So standard options in the toolbar include print, undo, redo, font, filter. So this is the toolbar here. You can see it. It contains all these options, which we're going to look in the following tutorials. Then we have the formula bar. So what is the formula bar? It's been labeled with this symbol FX. So basically it represents the kind of functions we're using when we're trying to manipulate data. We'll look at that in the following tutorials. Then again, now we have the working area. So this is the working area, and we're going to define what you see here shortly. So working area is the place where the data entered and calculation are done. The rectangular box in the working area is called a cell. So this is the cell. You're looking at a cell. So when we say cell, this is a cell. Selected cell is called an active cell. So like, for example, if I select this cell is the active one, and we can see that it's cell D1. We're going to look at the referencing very shortly. So what is the column header? Column header is what you're seeing as the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and it goes all along. You can see It can even go further than Z. We're going to look at that. And then we have the row header. So what is a row header? Is what you're seeing on the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way. Those are row headers. So again, let's define a cell. So a cell is a single data point, if you want to define it that way, or it's the intersection between a column and a row. So this cell is an intersection of column B and column 2. That's why we are calling it B2, and you can see the name of the cell in the name box here. So this is cell C5 because it's intersection of column C and 5. Then what is a column? So a column, we can say it's a vertical range of cells. So this is a vertical range of cell D1 up to all the way up to down there. So around up to cell D1000. So that's what you call a column. A row is a horizontal arrangement of cells. So as we said, so this is row 1, and it starts from cell A1, B1, C1, D1 all the way. Then arrange is a selection of multiple cells that run across a column, row, or a combination of both. So this could be arranged from cell A2 to A13. This 2 is arranged from cell A2 to G2, or it could start from cell A2 all the way up to cell E15. So this is what we're calling arrange. So it's a combination of cells. A function, we're going to look at it further in details, but it's a feature in Google Sheet that is used to calculate values and manipulate data. Formula is a combination of functions, columns, rows, cells, and ranges that are used to obtain a specific end result. Worksheet. So a worksheet is a set of columns and rows that make up a spreadsheet. So you can see this is sheet 1. So this is the worksheet. Then if you have a lot of sheets here, we're going to make now the spreadsheets. So a combination of worksheets make the spreadsheet, which is just named as Google Sheets 1. Now these are the sheets, so we can have, and I'll show you later how we add the different sheets. So the spreadsheet again is the entire document. Okay, that said, now let's move on to the other topic. Okay, so basically this was an introduction part. Basically just showing you what is Google Sheets, the layout, the frame itself, what are some of its features, the users, and then in the next tutorial we're going to look at now the different functions that we can do here, how we can enter data, how we can manipulate data. So please ensure you subscribe so that you can follow any new videos that I upload. As I've said, in the next tutorial, we're going to look at how to enter data on Google Sheets, how to format text, how to manage data on Google Sheets, how to freeze columns and rows, working with worksheets again, and then how to work with the different tools. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.